All right, everybody, we're back in Tamarindo, part 2. I wasn't expecting to do a part 2 here in Tamarindo, Costa Rica, but here we are. I found something really cool down this street. There's a huge market going on today, so we're gonna go check it out. I think it's Saturday, so maybe it's on a Saturday. Maybe it's a Saturday thing. I just had an apple and some pipa water over here at Vindy. It's good to know. Guys, if you watch part 1, definitely go watch part 1 where we walk the beach. This road goes up to an intersection, and I actually pointed out and I say this intersection goes further up, so you'll see in the video probably that building there, so it'll kind of reference where we are. And I finished that video. I went down to the beach, and I have another channel for traveling Costa Rica. It's ambient walks and stuff like that, so I don't say anything. And I was filming that video, and I have like this tick, not a nick, I have a tick where I can't go out the same way I came in. So I thought, I'm gonna go somewhere else. I'm gonna walk a different way. And I just took like a random side road and ended up walking through this super massive market that's like ends down this road. So we're gonna go check that out. It's pretty cool. It's kind of loud in there. There's some live music, but we'll do a little walk through and see what we can see there. Now guys, as we're walking up this street, I wanna show you the bag. I've said it many times in these videos. I'm a bit of a geardo. I like my gear, I like my stuff. So guys, this bag that I've been using here in Costa Rica is it's a sling bag. And it has a locking zipper. You can unlock it like this and get your stuff out. So I like it because then when I sit down, I don't have to take my bag off. It has a bunch of compartments in there for cool stuff like that. And then it's just that simple. So check the link down in the description below for this bag. It's pretty cheap too. I think it's around 50 bucks. It's not bad. So guys, here's the market, Tama Market. Oh, look at that. It says literally, guys, this is why I gotta read, man. Many people have told me, you should just pay attention more. Why are you not putting the seat down? Or whatever, I don't know. Stuff like that. So it says Saturday right there. Wednesday and Saturday, 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. I learn something new every day. So let's walk, dude, this is a huge market. Now, is it huge because it's high season? Or just in general? I like the cover. So let's just start walking by some of these places. I'm probably not going to stop unless somebody calls me in, you know, and they want to push their stuff. There's some coffee, specialty coffee, jewelry. So we came through here on the ambient walk, and leave me a comment if you want to see that video. I'll link it up. It's on the other channel. Just a bunch of videos on that channel of like drone tours, all the same stuff I do on this channel, except I don't say anything. So it's just raw. You know, it's just the raw videos. This guy is playing music. So we'll go down this way. That goes back to the main street. I haven't been down here. And dude, I know like smell doesn't come through on YouTube, but something smells like incense-y. Incense. I don't know if that's the right word to use. It just smells nice. Oh, that's because this is incense. Oh, and he's got incense going here. Nice. This guy's promoting his incense business. Very smart, very smart. I don't even have a business, and I just generate content every day. Oh my God. Face massage, incredible. Let's do the right side, because we'll do the other right side when we come back this road. Jewelry, look at all this fancy stuff. It would really get me going if I found somebody just selling steak and eggs. If there was a booth just selling protein. Schnapps, it says schnapps. I don't know what that means, guys. I think it's alcohol or something. Oh, cool. Oh, cigars, dude. Oh my God. I'm not gonna bore you guys in the videos with my feeding my addictions. Cool. Let's go right out to the road here, and then we'll kick back in. Oh, mangoes. Traffic jam. I'll punch through. Okay, so this is the main road once again at the T-junction. So if you go down this road right here into, see if we can see it. Kinda. See that like red roof there? That's the main strip. So that's where the main road is down there. And here's like a huge condo building. I don't know if like it's a hotel or condos. I think it's condos. And then if you go down this road, guys, there is Playa Langosta down there. And Playa Langosta has a bunch of boutique hotels and stuff like that. And actually, if you just go up 2 intersections, so like 2 right turns past, there's a nice little area that you can park. And it's kind of more quiet down there. You can park your vehicle right up against the beach and sit in your vehicle. So a lot of people do that. They'll do like tailgating down on that end. And then this is, yeah, so that's where we just came from. So here's an entrance. Oh, there's a sign here too. Would you look at that? So there's a bunch of signs, very well signed, you know, marked, etc. There's a big commercial development right here with some restaurants that I know of. All right, now let's do the other right side. So we got some fruits, some mangoes. Nice. Oh, this is soap. This is a soap booth. Cool. Oh my god, I love tobacco so much. Stop it. I like soap too, though. Is it weird if somebody says they like, I don't know, I think everybody likes soap. I hope everybody likes soap to a certain extent, but I think saying it kind of puts you out of the normal realm. Like leather, there's leather. I like leather. It's also, man, but I guess it depends on the context. Oh, cool shirts. Oh, that's a nice shirt. That's a nice shirt. Okay, so if I ever dressed up nice and like went to nice places, I'd wear something like that. But I'm just a degenerate. These are cool. Smoked fish. So these guys have mahi, grouper, parrotfish, yellowfin tuna, conger fish. I don't know what is a conger fish. It's an interesting, I don't know if I've seen that before. Maybe it's some kind of exotic fish. There's, oh, workout stuff. Cool, man. Okay, now let's go down this way to the left. How long have we been going for, guys? Oh, 8 minutes. I got another 10 in me. I had my union break. And I'm good to go. Ghee, okay, so these guys have ghee and stuff. Lemon stuff. This is a cheese booth. Oh, cool, cheese, yogurt. Oh, queso. Hola. There you go, check them out. Beauty skincare, okay, plant-based cuisine. I mean, that's cool. I like the gluten-free stuff. When I find gluten-free stuff, I'm into it. I do gluten-free stuff before my workout, and then after I workout, I only eat meat. So I'm like a vegetarian and a carnivore at the same time. This is all cool stuff. Oh, there's more fruits. Peanut butter, everything. So now that's cool, man. I'm glad somebody else is in charge of the music, because if it was me, there'd be like Slipknot and Two Steps from Hell playing, and I don't think that's gonna get people pulled in. There you go, some more bathing suits and stuff. Yes. Yes. Cigars. I love these little cigars here in Costa Rica. The little vanilla and the chocolate ones are so delicious. They're good for, you know, a quick hit. I get a little stressed out. Okay, so guys, here's a little cool thing. Here's a little park for kids. You can bring your kids down here and play in the park. There's a skate park. Let's go over here. There's a cool like little area to see it better. So I've gotten comments before and they're like, oh, show the prices. There's no prices like really on anything. You just kind of got to talk to people. You know, if you're interested in the prices, just come down here and ask people. You know what I'm saying? You can do it. Cool art, man. I like the art. Here, let's go check out the park here. So if you're coming here with kids, this is a really cool park to come check out. So there's a basketball court. There's a play ground. Kids playing soccer, football on the court. That's cool. And then over here, there's a skate park. Let's just actually walk over here. Like, why not? Do what I want. Oh, and there's a bowl here too. There's a bowl thing. What is it called? I don't really know how to describe this. Where you can skateboard. Dude, I tried skateboarding one time when I was in Canada. I was like, yeah, I'm like 35 years old. I'm gonna try a new skill. And I had a skateboard and I stood on something just like this. And I looked down and I was like, I'm not doing it. I stopped skateboarding at that very moment. So I'm like, I'm just gonna die. I'm just gonna become more crippled and die. You know, you may have seen I'm wearing a back brace right now. So surfing, skateboarding, just stuff like that is just not happening. So there's the little tour guys of the Tamarindo Saturday, and what did it say? Wednesday market, 2 p.m. to 8. No, wait, 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. That's what it said. So here's another Tamarindo sign you can come check out. Guys, here's a Super Compro, okay? Cheaper supermarket. You know, that's another place you can get groceries if you're down here in Tamarindo. And then up there is the roof pizza, and you have a great view. So if you go up there at sunset and get pizza, you can, you know, you have a great view of that sunset and the beach and etc. Let's go walk down this way though. So here's like a really fun name for a restaurant. It's so fun. It says Breaking Bread. Look at this. It's just the funnest. There you go, Breaking Bread. That's funny. There's some shops right here. Guys, I'm just gonna walk right back up to the main road so we can build some kind of continuity with the video, so you can like reference the places and see how long it takes to walk to them. Oh wow, it's so man, I don't remember all these flowers here last time. Now it's like a garden. Maybe it's always been a garden. Maybe I just have bad memory. Oh, that's cute. See, this is smart when businesses do stuff like this, where you know people come and take a picture, you know, and then they stop, and then you got them. You've captured their attention, and they're invested, and then they come in. So that's smart for businesses. I like it when they do. Oh, look at this cool place. See, here's another one. Look at all the photo opportunities here with the flamingos, and I don't really know what's going on. I don't know what's going on with these. I just don't know. They look like yoga mats. I don't know. Oh, look at people looking at real estate. Real estate. They're going to supply and demand this place. Sometimes people use other words to describe changing economic conditions, but fundamentally, supply and demand, I think, is where it's at. Cool. So as we're approaching this road here, to the right is the Diria, and that's kind of the direction we went towards the end of the video last time. And then to the left is like the end of the roundabout. So you go left down here, that's the end of the roundabout. That's where the big Tamarindo sign, that's where we started the last video. And here's another shopping area. There was a little, there's like a little pop-up kind of souvenir market right over here too, when we walked through earlier. All right, guys, so there we are, back right on the path where we did the other tour. Hope you enjoyed that video from here in Tamarindo, Costa Rica. As always, guys, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe here on YouTube. Leave me a comment, even just to say hello. Always like saying hello to everybody who's watching and enjoying the videos. And hope to see you soon here on your vacation in Costa Rica. Bye now.